YouTube, what's going on? Your boy back with another video. First shut the blow up a shot, so you know it's a little haze everywhere. Don't mind me. But yeah, you guys see what I'm in. We in a Chevy Spark, and it's gonna be a nice little update video. I did one on the Infiniti, so gonna do one on the 2021 Chevy Spark. Guys, we know I had this for what, year and a half now. So I'm sitting at 50,000 miles. So go everything that's wrong. If it's anything wrong, stay tuned. So enough rambling, let's go. Okay, so boom, like I said, guys, currently sitting at 50,000 miles, so halfway to 100K. Everything is still working. Everything is the condition of everything at 50K. Like I said, it's always rented out, so I'm not necessarily the only person driving it. So other than that, everything's still pretty good. Check out the seats, no rips and nothing crazy. Maybe like a few like drip drops. I'm pretty sure they can probably be cleaned out or whatever. But headrest clean. Anything else clean? I haven't cleaned the car, so I don't mind a little dirtiness you do see, but maybe like a little stain over there. But nothing. You feel me? Too dramatic. No check engine lights, no error codes, nothing crazy like that. Regular maintenance, you know, oil changes, tire rotations. That's pretty much it. I ain't never get anything else really. Tires still good. Show you the back. Back's definitely still pretty much spotless. As you guys can see. Back little shade. All this stuff's still good. Okay, and I guess as far as the LEDs, the backup RGB I have in there still works, but the LEDs I put in here for the brake lights, apparently they blew out rather quick. They blew out within like a year for real, so I had to put the stock ones back in. Yeah, it's pretty much the only thing that LEDs I put in blew out, so no, those are back to stock. Still got the stock rear turn signals, just got the RGB reverse light. Let me turn on my lights in general. You guys see just stock lights, and then my license plate light I did have, you know, both cool whites, but the one blew out, so I just put a blue one in there. So far so good. I didn't want to, you know, ride around with no light, so I just put a blue one in there. I got a whole pack of like 20 blue ones from you know, eBay, real cheap, so let's do those in there. Let's see, other than that, blue light up there still working fine. Yeah, everything's still pretty much good for real. No damages, nothing. Gas kit side, everything's still working. Little scrape right there. Like I said, I use it for rentals, so this isn't all my damage, but you know, pretty clean. Pop the engine, give you guys a nice look at the front too. Says still good. The clear film I put on this still good, still lasting. The hex film I put on this still good, still lasting. Same on this side. Guess I'll pop the hood for you guys. But yeah, like I said, 50,000 miles, no problems for real. Just normal maintenance, oil changes, tire rotations. I think it's pretty much still got the OG tires on there, but I think maybe one or two of them probably got switched out for used ones. So soulless in the back. Chrome mule right over there. Press. Okay, so these might be all different wheels. So yeah, so they probably all different wheels, but the front ones are pretty decent on tread. I think the back ones are definitely gonna need it. Yeah, the back one. other back one. Yeah, so the back ones is gonna need it soon, but the front ones are pretty good. So I think I got used tires in the front or something. I guess the only thing I did change was the front brake pads, and I do have a video on my channel and me doing that. But other than, you know, oil changes and yeah, changing the front brake pads, still got the same rollers on there. Doing good, and I still have the same drum brakes on there for 50,000 miles. Still haven't changed these, so I haven't, you know, been getting any problems. So I start getting some problems, and I'll change those. But other than that, pretty reliable. But yeah, front tire's pretty good. Let's open this bad boy. Okay, guys, look at the engine. 50,000 miles. You guys hear it. Still good for real. Battery, no corrosion. Fluids, good. No wires, no rust. I mean, you shouldn't see the rust on the 2021. Super brand new. Belts. So yeah, everything's still running good, so. Yeah, guys, that's just a little update on the Spark. Yeah, I guess not really an update. Only thing that's really different is just the rear tail lights. LEDs blew out, but those are aftermarket anyway. I put the stock ones back in there, so we're all good. But yeah, guys, Spark pretty reliable so far, no issues. So if you guys are looking into getting a nice small Chevy Spark, so far so good at 50K. But yeah, guys, just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I guess I'll show you guys the gas kit, but not really needed. But give you guys the whole nine. Sure, everything's, you know, good, maintained. Gotta see for your own stuff if you have a Chevy Spark. So yeah, guys, pretty simple, reliable car so far. I guess I'll keep you guys updated on the mileage when I probably hit 100,000. I'm still have the car, how it is and what issues I had. So yeah, guys, till next time.